Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we're diving into the world of AI again, this time with a closer look at Sintra AI. Is it worth your time and investment? Let's find out. First thing first, what is Sintra AI? Sintra is an advanced AI powered platform designed to help businesses streamline operations, analyze data, and automate workflows. Think of it as your all in one productivity tools, but smarter. Let's break this down into three main categories: features, user experience, and pricing. Sintra AI is packed with features from real time analytics and predictive modeling to task automation and personalized recommendations. This platform offers a lot. It's especially great for teams managing multiple projects as it integrates with tools like Slack, Trello, and even Google Workplace. But what sets it apart? It's AI driven decision making. Sintra doesn't just give you data, it tells you what to do next. Pretty cool, right? The interface is clean, intuitive, and easy to navigate. Whether you are tech savvy or not, you will feel at home. Plus, their onboarding process is straightforward with tutorials and support to get you up and running quickly. One downside, it can feel a bit overwhelming at first because of the sheer number of features, but once you get the hang of it, you're golden. Sintra AI offers a variety of pricing plans, from basic package for smaller teams to enterprise level solutions. While it's not the cheapest option out there, the value it brings could justify the cost, especially for businesses looking to scale. So, is Sintra AI worth it? If you're a business owner or a team leader looking to boost efficiency and make smarter decisions, it's definitely worth considering. But if you're a solo user or just starting out, the learning curve and cost might be a steep. So that's it. Thank you guys for watching this video. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel.